In this video, I'll show you how you can configure products for our ERP system. Firstly, to create a product, we'll have to specify its name, say keyboard. Then we'll have to specify the product type. The product type can be either consumable, stockable or service. Consumable products are physical products. Like stockable products, they can be bought, manufactured or sold. However, there is no stock management for such products. That is, such products are always considered to be in stock. Stockable products are the products where there is stock management. And a procurement exception is given where there is no sufficient quantity in the stock. For IT companies, the product type can be set to service. The procurement method could either be make to stock or make to order. Make to stock implies that such products are stocked in the warehouse. However, if the quantity goes below the minimum required, a purchase order will be given if the supply method is buy. However, if the supply method is produce, a manufacturing order will be given. If the procurement method is make to order, the products will never be stocked. A purchase order will be given if the supply method is buy, and a manufacturing order will be given if the supply method is produce. Then you can specify other details like the costing method, the cost price and its sale price. You can also specify its volume, net and gross weight. You can link it up to the required category. To track the lots, you can check these boxes for tracking the manufacturing, incoming and outgoing lots. You can specify the unit of measure for the product. Once you start buying and selling the products, its real stock will get updated. Real stock is the quantity that is in the warehouse. Virtual stock is real stock minus outgoing stock plus incoming stock. In procurements and locations tab, you can specify the various delays. Customer lead time is the delay between placing the customer order and delivering the products to the customer. Manufacturing lead time is the delay between placing the manufacturing order and getting the final finished product. You can also specify the storage location, that is the exact rack, row and case positions. In the suppliers tab, you can select the suppliers from whom will be buying product. And then go and save the supplier. You can select multiple suppliers from whom you want to buy the product. Whenever a purchase order is created for the product, it will be bought from all the suppliers mentioned in this tab. However, if there are no suppliers, a procurement exception will be given. You can specify other details like the descriptions, packing, accounting and logistics flow. If the product is being manufactured, you can specify its bill of material. You can also specify the minimum stock rules for the product. You can specify the unit of measure of the product and the warehouse. Then you have to specify the minimum and the maximum quantity that can be stocked. If the quantity of the product goes below the minimum, then the ERP system proposes to purchase the product to increase its quantity to the maximum allowed. Then you can go and save the product. That was all for this video. Thank you.